Artificial intelligence influencers, the new revolution that's shaking the world. Imagine scrolling through Instagram and coming across a picture that's so perfect and captivating that you can't take your eyes off it. This picture belongs to an influencer with millions of followers. But here's a surprise. The influencer you're looking for isn't real. Yes, you guessed it right. Artificial intelligence influencers are a hot new trend that has turned the internet into a whirlwind of innovation and creativity. One of the pioneers in this field is Adiana Lopez, a Spanish influencer who attracts attention every day with her stunning activities. Adiana's Instagram account now has over 1 million followers. Her income from collaborating with various brands reaches over $10,000 per month. What's most interesting is that she has been featured in numerous articles by prestigious global magazines, but that's only half the story. Adiana Lopez is not a real person, but a completely virtual character designed by advanced AI technology. These characters can be designed precisely according to the needs of brands. From fashion and beauty to technology and music, these characters can shine in any field. How can you enter this exciting world? Do you want to transform your business? Or maybe you are looking for a way to make money from the internet? The good news is that you too can create your own virtual influencer with the help of AI tools and step into the exciting world of online income. In this video, I will show you how you can create AI characters, and most importantly, how you can earn millions from this method. Let's start this exciting journey together and enter a world where anything is possible. Now, to get started, all you need to do is ask ChatGPT for help. Here, I will explain the steps step by step. First, log into ChatGPT and ask it to create a prompt for you. This message is the description that you give to an image generation program to create a unique image. Explain the specifications you want to ChatGPT. For example, facial appearance, clothing style, facial expression, and even specific details like the background of the image. For example, I said, I am attaching a face photo here. Please create a picture message for this photo that includes the appearance specifications and other relevant details so that I can use this prompt in other programs and create an image. Enter the Apob AI site. This tool is a true miracle worker in the world of artificial intelligence and is specially designed to create virtual characters and professional selfies. You can easily use the command. After logging in, click the Click to Upload Image button. Here you can select the image you want to use as the main model. If you want to create a face similar to the virtual influencers we introduced earlier, choose a photo with a similar style. Choose a name for your character. Write a few lines of description explaining the characteristics of this character. This description can include their personality, style, or field of work. Once you have entered all the information, click the Create Your Image Model Now option. The tool will start processing and your face model will be ready soon. Your face model is ready. Now let's check everything out. Once you've created your model, you'll see all its details on the left side of the page. Model name, image type, access status, public or private. You can decide whether your model is public or just for you. Now let's check out the different options you have. This option is for beginners. If you don't have much experience and don't want to spend a lot of time creating a prompt, this is the option for you. Here you can use preset styles such as watercolor, realistic sports nature and adventure swimwear, fitness, urban, etc. Just choose the style you want and create the related images. This option is for people who want to create their own personal style. You have full control over the image and can style, realistic, artistic, character appearance, age, clothing, facial expression, environment, architecture, landscape. With this option, you can be more creative and create completely unique models. Expert mode. Here you have complete freedom. You can describe anything and create exactly what you want. For example, I copy and paste the prompt that ChatGPT created. You can even add more details like location, moods, and special settings. 16:9:16, suitable for stories. 4:3:1:1, for Instagram posts. After choosing the aspect ratio, click Generate. The tool will generate the image you want. Well guys, the images are ready. Look how realistic, high quality, and attractive they are. These images are exactly what you wanted, with great detail and professional design. Even the smallest details are clearly visible. The images are designed as if they were taken from a real model. Now that you have created some great images, it's time to turn them into a compelling video. Go to the Image to Video section of the site. This section allows you to convert your images into a professional video. Click on the created images to select them. You can select multiple images in a row to use in the video. In the Quality section, select Ultra to produce your video in the best possible quality. Set the video duration. You can create videos up to 10 seconds long. This is the right time for short and engaging videos. Click the Generate button. The tool will start processing and your video will be ready in no time. If you want to create a video from other images, repeat this process for each image or set of images. Now you have a short, very high-quality video that you can use on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. These videos can be a powerful tool for attracting attention on the internet. Well guys, look, the videos made from our images look so high quality, attractive, and professional. It's as if they were shot and edited by a professional team. The images are converted to video very smoothly and without any loss of quality. Each scene is designed in such a way that you feel that the characters are real. No other AI has ever been able to produce such videos with such precision and harmony. This tool not only converts your images to videos, but also produces videos that are ready for use on any platform, preserving all the details and quality. Watch each video you make and enjoy the result you get. Without a doubt, this is one of the best tools you have ever seen. Now let's take your videos to a new level of fun in the Video Face Swap section. Upload your video. Select the Ultra option to get higher quality and better results. Enable minor adjustments such as skin smoothing, eye and lip adjustment, and face smoothing. Change the lighting of the face to make the video look more natural and attractive. Download the final video and double-check that all the details are set accurately and professionally. Publish this video on your Instagram page and wait for your audience's feedback. And don't forget to click on my exclusive link in the video description to register and use my code for a 15% discount. If this video was useful to you, be sure to like the video and share your experiences in the comments. Thank you for your support.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I